G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This trip away, once again, we're asking the question, go or no go. We're here at Cormorant Bay on Lake Wivenhoe. We're going to take a bit of a look around the area and see what it's got to offer. Let's go check it out.
You go, no go for no.
Wivenhoe Dam and Cormorant Bay are around about an hour west of Brisbane. You've got a couple of different options for heading out here. You can head out towards Ipswich and turn off and go to Wivenhoe from there. Or you can head over through Mount Nebo and Mount Glorious and take the scenic route, which takes about a half an hour longer. Well, here we are at Cormorant Bay. Let's go check it out. The day use area here is divided up into a couple of specific sections. The first section, which is right next to the highway here, has really great access to the water and probably will be the one that most people would have seen while driving past. The first section here that's close to the highway is probably a little more suited to just be a day use area, to just stop over and have a bite to eat and sit and enjoy the water. There's nothing more relaxing than having a place like this to come and have a sit and listen to the birds and the trees around you and watch the cormorants out in the bay and the pelicans out in the bay as well. If you've seen my previous videos, there's actually a couple of camping sites that are around about 2, maybe 3 kilometres away from here as the crow flies. They actually have kangaroos that just hang around the area on the little points and hang around the camping area. So if you haven't checked those out, I'll put a link for you on the top left-hand side of your screen. They are fantastic places to go and camp as well. Quite popular, but really, really worth going to check out. Especially just hanging out with the kangaroos in the campsite. It's really, really cool. There's a couple of different sections in the Cormorant Bay Reserve here. You've got the larger park up here and you've also got the smaller park, which is just on the way in. I think what actually may happen with this place a fair bit, I haven't actually been in summertime to sort of confirm and check this, but I imagine what will happen is that a few people will just go and check out the little entry part and not come in and check out all of this beautiful big area that's here, which is the part that's actually really well appointed and has got the gas barbecues, the kids play areas, and it's got a massive area in the center, which is all mowed and really nice for kids to run around on as well. So it's a beautiful area here. It's, you know, really nice and relaxing. You'll hear tons of birds in the background and really cool place to come and check out. One of the first things you'll probably notice when you actually arrive here at Cormorant Bay is how well it's actually set out. You've got a big loop road that goes all the way around and all of the park and everything is in the middle. And there's all of these beautiful covered little areas that are pockmarking the landscape around here. Just in front of me here to my left, you've got the dam itself and there's facilities just down here behind me as well. It's a really well set out place and there's a ton of parking here as well, so you've got no worries about finding a park here if you're coming to use the place. One of the other things you'll actually notice as well, it's a little bit deceiving actually getting your way in here. There's a little park that's sort of at the entry, but to get to the main park here it's a little bit further actually in, and a lot of people may not actually know it's here because of that. As you'll hear behind me, galahs and cockatoos in the background, so it's a really beautiful place to come and just hang out and relax. As you'll see behind me here, there's probably around about a dozen different seating areas and probably half a dozen or more covered seating areas as well. The other point of difference in terms of the park, as I mentioned before, the bathrooms that are here, the kids play area that's here as well, but there's also gas barbecues here as well. So if you wanted to have a barbecue here, it's a really good place to do so. There's actually a couple of separate kids play areas here, just behind me here with the blue cover. You've got the first area, which is sort of up the top or the far end of the park, which is where most of the covered tables and all the rest of it are. But also further down in the main area where all the main open grass area is, you've got another larger sort of play area there and a little playground for the kids as well. Just over to my right now, as you'll see in your pictures, there's actually 4 separate barbecues that are here that are all within this little area and all the covered areas here. So, I mean, it's a super well set out place, and to be honest, not a lot of people probably know about it. So I'd definitely say to come and check it out. All right, well, that's going to wrap things up for us here at Cormorant Bay. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.